How to change currency on Airbnb. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can easily change currency on your Airbnb. If you're traveling to a new place and want to book your Airbnb but don't know how to change your currency, just follow these steps. First of all, you will have to open your app and then make sure to log into your account using either your phone number or your Gmail, whatever you have available. Now once you're logged into your profile, your home page should look something like this. And on the bottom of your screen, you can see different tabs like Explore, Wishlist, Trips, Messages, and finally Profile. Tap on your profile. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so once you are inside your profile, under your settings, you can see payment and payouts. But before we do that, just make sure that as you guys can see, this is right now on dollars, so USD. The rates are showing right now on USD. So just tap on payments and payouts. As you can see on the top right corner of your screen, you can see this little dollar icon that says USD. Just tap on it and you can choose from all of these currency that are available on Airbnb. So let's say if I want to go ahead and change this to so I'm just going to change it to euro. So I'm just tapping on it. As you can see, the currency now has been changed to euro. If I go back to my home screen, you can see everything on the menu on the list is listed on euros. So that's how you can change your currency on Airbnb. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.